start here pretty soon.
So you open it up, right?
Yeah.
And then you just...
There we go.
I want to see what the panel says.
So watch out, but you can go up there, okay. Just showing you. One red light?
Yep.
Fire alarm's on one. Oh, okay.
You're gonna hit reset now?
Yep. That's right.
And there's like a little switch in there to flip?
It's a different kind of full station.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Can I flip it?
Sure.
3, 2, 1.
Acknowledge it.
And then reset.
And we reset it. Those troubles will come back in because this is off.
Mm.
It'll come.
Acknowledge that.
Yeah, see, knock fault and system.
So did you get HVAC certified then come over to do this?
Yeah, I was HVAC certified 12 years ago, and then
Put it down.
came back in this, put it back to normal. Possibly, or we did not let it. We'll go back to that full station, and
Mm-hmm. Continue on.
we'll leave it down for a second.
Paint it over twice.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this time we'll leave it in there for.
There goes the panel.
Okay, it just took a minute. That's all. This whole system only had one set of wires that were for the whole circuit, so that includes the pole stations and the heats.
Mm-hmm.
Typically, when I install a system, so this is just a panel install, panel replacement. If I was to install my own system, like I've done at other schools, I would separate each type of device into its own zone. So I'd have pole stations on one zone, I'd have smokes on one, and I'd have heats in another. And let's say a tamper switch or a flow switch for a riser, for a bi-riser.
Yeah.
I noticed you see our brake rods right here.
That's right. So
Yep.
since
So, and I could pull the glass brakes.
yeah, we don't want to use that, so we
Yeah.
use the screw up here. Okay.
Should be good.
You got a map here.
Yeah.
That's
Okay. So acknowledge that.
Can I hit the reset button?
Go ahead. And then we'll acknowledge the next trouble that comes in. There we go.
These are like all Edwards pull stations.
Yeah, this is a mixed and match system.
Should be good.
I don't know if you learn much about Edwards stuff, but they're proprietary. Some of their older stuff.
This button
Yep.
and reset.
Set and reset it. See, I might have to install a booster panel on that system to support the next circuit.
Are they enabling Wi-Fi?
Transformer and all that stuff, and let's see. So yeah, it would be a board replacement altogether, and I think they might have had it done here before. All right, go ahead and acknowledge that. Reset it. And maybe the last one.
There may be one in the art center.
Yeah. What to make
Cut
sure.
and unscrew it.
Okay, go ahead.
Is that thing you do?
Oops.
It should
Okay.
We'll have to have them move that. This should be visible.
Yeah, I agree. If I can't see it, I can't find it.
There's stuff in there.